Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha. I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50. And today, I thought I would show you something. It's really easy, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. So I like to crop my own shirts because one, a big t-shirt on me, as much as I like a big t-shirt, just doesn't look cute because I have a little bit of a bigger chest. So for me, I just look like a big box. It's hard to look good in a t-shirt, as you guys know. I know they are the staples, but they just don't look good. I mean, you have to get a high quality t-shirt that fits you right, maybe one that's even fitted, a really light texture, or a really good cotton, or else they're just not gonna look cute. So I like to get all my t-shirts that I don't love, that don't fit me great, and chop them up, crop them. And I'm gonna start with this one that I'm wearing today. I bought this sweatshirt. I love cropping sweatshirts too. So don't think it just has to be a t-shirt. Sweatshirts work just as well. But I love like cropping sweatshirts, and this is one that I got at Forever 21, geez, I don't know, years ago, and it was just getting old, so I wanted to refresh it. It has the Eiffel Tower on it, and cropped it. And I love it because it looks so cute. It's so much more fashionable now, and it's got padded shoulders, so I love that too. But I'm gonna show you one that I just did the other day because I'm like cropping crazy. And just because we're in our 40s and 50s doesn't mean we can't crop. That's what I wanna let you guys know, okay? So I get a lot of, one of my best friends works for Sanrio, Hello Kitty. So I do get a lot of Hello Kitty things. And as much as I love Hello Kitty, sometimes she'll give me like sample sizes that are too big for me. So she gave me this cute little Hello Kitty t-shirt. I obsess over this. It's like with a girl skate or collab, this girl skateboard company. And I loved Hello Kitty growing up, like My Melody and Hello Kitty were like the little twin stars. They were like my favorite in 6th, 7th, and 8th. And when you love something in 6th, 7th, and 8th, you're gonna love it forever. So like Hello Kitty is like iconic. So anything Hello Kitty that she gives me, I love. But it was a big oversized t-shirt and it just kind of made me look like a box. It was doing nothing for my shape. And I was like, I gotta make this cute. So I simply cropped it quite short. This is the back and this is the front. This is the little logo for girl skateboards. And then I just cut the sleeve at an angle. So the sleeve probably was like that big, and then I just kind of cut it at an angle to give me this faux looking padded shoulder, kind of like what's really in fashion right now. So as you guys know, if you've watched a few of my fashion hauls, I love all the little cropped t-shirts with like the faux padded shoulders or the real padded shoulders, where I've gotten quite a few t-shirts from Shein, and I'll link a video here where I do a haul on Shein. But yeah, I just like that little crop look. It's so stylish, so just puts an outfit together with like jeans and a very basic t-shirt. So I did this on this one. I'll put a photo of an Instagram post of me wearing this. I loved it. I was very impressed with myself. I was like, okay, you made that look cute. But I have this other shirt. This is from Banana Republic, and it says, au revoir. It's actually really nice cotton, really pretty, but on me, I was so excited to buy it. I actually bought it at Goodwill, on one of my Goodwill hauls. If you guys want to see one of those, let me know. And it just makes me look like a box, like it's doing nothing for my body. So today, let's crop it. So, pair of scissors, and I like to go pretty high, so I can tell right about here, if I put it up to my body, that I'm gonna want it cropped about right here. So that's all I do, is I measure it basically just by my hand. I drop the t-shirt over, and that's how I get where I want to crop. As simple as that. See that little corner? Then I take my little scissors, and where I made that fold, and I just go right into that corner, make a little, and that's my guide, okay? So now I know that is where that t-shirt is going to be cut. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I don't think I need to show you guys that. I'm gonna go and chop, 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 chop. Okay, so I went ahead and I cropped her. So I'm really happy with the size of this crop. I can already tell. I looked at myself in the mirror holding her up, and she crops about right there, which to me is exactly where I want her. But these sleeves, girl, these aren't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it, and I wanna leave a little bit of a cap sleeve. So about 1 inch, and then I'm just gonna cut a diagonal and go right underneath. I wanna cut right at the bottom of where the armpit is, all the way up instead of cutting the sleeve completely off, I'm just gonna go at an angle and leave like an inch of a cap sleeve. So let me do one side and I'll be right back. Okay, here she is. Now, she's a little bit crooked. I can see that at the back, I left a little bit more room on this side than this side. So you can go ahead and do your cleanup work now, but the majority of the job is done. Another thing that I would like to mention to you guys is use a t-shirt that you don't care if you lose. This one was $4.99 from Goodwill, even though probably originally it was like 30 bucks because it's, you know, Banana Republic. But, you know, so use something that you don't care if you're gonna ruin it. But I like to just, I mean, you can use it as a layering piece. I don't like throwing things away. I like repurposing them. You know what I mean? Like, don't waste. So I think I'm just gonna fix this side because you can see I cut a little too thick, exactly how I cut it. I didn't cut right at the seam. I left a little extra fabric, and then when we get to the top, I left about an inch. I should have probably left a little bit more, but let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna clean up this side. The bottom, if it's a little bit messy, it's fine, it's cool. It's supposed to look like that. So have fun with it. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. Actually, it's not bad. Maybe I wish I had a little bit more, but I think it's kind of, it'll work. Now the side is a little bit low, so I'm gonna have to wear a cute bra. So don't wear a snaggly bra because a bra will show when you have a lower little lining like this. Another thing I like to do, if I have a t-shirt that shows the bra underneath here, I'll wear like a little undershirt underneath, like a cute little undershirt. And I found some really cute little gray little tanks at Daiso for like $1.50. But this, my friends, is the finished look. See? Can we get a ooh, ooh, ooh? Can we get a yes? But let me stand up so you can see the full thing. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Au revoir. An old t-shirt that had no style, fit me horribly, made me look like a box, is now cute, fashionable, on trend for 2021. Super cute, perfect for summer. Yes, it's showing a little bit of skin. If you don't feel comfortable, cut it a little bit lower, or even wear something underneath. Like you can wear shapewear. You can wear a tight shapewear like undershirt, which I think is great also. I do that sometimes, just wear an undershirt underneath. But for me, I don't mind that it is cropped. And then again, make sure to wear a cute bra or something low because you are gonna be able to see all of that. But this is a finished look. So I'm actually really impressed. It looks so cute. When I'm looking in the full length mirror, I'm like, girl, you did it. You made an ugly t-shirt look hip, cool, and summer's coming. This with like some jeans, a little shoe, and a little cute purse. Okay, so that took me, like you saw me do it, took me 5 minutes. And again, do it with a t-shirt, like play around with a t-shirt that you don't care about. You can use really big oversized t-shirts too. So if you want to use your husband's or your son's, or if you just have a big, huge, you know those giveaway shirts that they give you at like events or school events that you know you're never gonna wear, chop those up. Use those as practice t-shirts. Those look the coolest when they're chopped up. So that's it. Au revoir. No, I was gonna say au revoir, but I'm not ready to say goodbye. Hope you guys love this. If you like these type of fashion videos, let me know and I can do more of them, girl. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. And by the way, you guys, if you like my hair, it's from this styler from Bedhead. It's on my Amazon store to do these big kind of bouncy waves. This gets so hot and it does your hair so fast. And by the way, I'm in a squat position right now because if I stand up, I'm here. Oh, it feels better. My legs were killing me, but I'll do anything for a squat. That's it. Hope you guys love this video. And this, you'll see this shirt in Instagram posts. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. Oh, and on TikTok, my TikTok is blowing up. It's growing. I'm almost at 30,000 and I haven't even been there a year. So, I mean, I've been posting like 6 months. So it's fabulous. So hope to see you guys soon. Hope you guys love this video. See you later. Yeah. Yeah. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Now I can say it. Au revoir. Bye. Hi, my name's Samantha and I'm here with Sephora today to do my nighttime skincare routine for skin over 40 and over 50. I want to get all this off right away. So let's get right into it. Okay, my first step is going to be using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Oil Cleanser. Vitamin C is extremely important for brightening your skin, especially if you have brown spots or any melasma. Hi everybody, my name is Samantha and today I'm here with Sephora and we're doing this glowy foundation look. So stick around if you want to see how I got the glow over 50. Along with me, wherever I go. Good for hot flashes and also drying off your makeup. There you go. Oh, I love it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something and you like this look. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and I will see you next time. Bye.